Hey, what's going on YouTube? It's SRT Dad. Today we got another, what I'd call a budget mod on the Charger. So let's go ahead and check out what it is, guys. All right, guys, so we got the Charger right here. So the mod is gonna be for these little door panels. I got some pieces of carbon fiber off eBay to cover these two pieces up on this side and the passenger side, and then even these little triangular pieces here on the back. So I got them off eBay. I'm pretty sure, if you own a Charger, you've seen them and you've been curious about buying some. I've actually been curious about buying them for a couple years now, guys. So let's go ahead and check out those pieces.
Alright guys, so here's a box that we're in, and here's the pieces here. There's a couple for the driver, a couple for the passenger, and here's those little two pieces I was telling you guys about. So it looks like this is it feels like textured carbon fiber, so it's not the gloss one, which I'm actually okay with. It comes with a couple of pieces of alcohol wipes to wipe down your pillar posts. So if you look these up on eBay, they're gonna just be carbon fiber pillar posts, and then for whatever car you want it for. Here's the installation steps. It's pretty easy. It just says to wash the area, clean with provided alcohol wipes, align cover with pillar. It says while the cover aligned, remove the tape backing it and press down and remove the protective film. It doesn't say anything about heating or anything. So this is just, it is carbon fiber. It's just you just stick it on as compared to heat it on. If you're gonna do it yourself with just a piece of carbon fiber. So I'm gonna go ahead and just wipe down the pillar post, guys, with these, and then just add the pieces on. The install isn't too hard, so I'm not really going to show it, and then we'll kind of see how it looks after. All right guys, so I put them all on. You can see here they are. These were pretty good fit on the actual pillars. You can see, let me see what I'm trying to show you. Like, it's not covering the whole thing, but it's good enough. Okay, you can see like right there is a little gap there, right? But it looks good, They're pre-cut, so that's the only disadvantage of not, just getting carbon fiber and doing it yourself. But I mean, it's easier, you just stick it on and it's good, and then the sun will heat it on there even better. So there they are. Let me show. I got the bottom here. I'm gonna have to get my X-Acto knife and just cut it right there. That way, there's not a little gap right there, a little bump. I mean. Just cut it off. That's from these little rubber things on both sides. A little bit. I'm gonna cut off that little piece there and then this whole piece here. That way, it doesn't unpeel itself. Let's show you the other side. There's the other side there. See, it looks really good. So I gotta cut those pieces off there. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and then pull the car out in the driveway and then show you guys kind of how it looks from afar. Alright guys, so let's show you guys the finished product here. There it is. Cut the bottom off there so it lines up perfectly, so there's no lump there anymore. There's the back there right here. There it is, guys. Overall, for the $50 I paid for it, I'd say, it was worth it. It fit pretty good. It was very fast install. It took me about 10 minutes to put on. I would recommend getting them. You don't have to get carbon fiber. You can get gloss black if you want. You know what I mean? So, if you enjoy the stuff, guys, down to earth content, go ahead and hit the like button on the video, guys. Subscribe if you like the video. Check out my channel, guys. I got a ton of stuff on this car if you're wondering, because obviously it's not stock. But that's gonna be all for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed this little quick video on this budget mod. I'll see you guys on the next one.